Hi everyone, so for today I'm going to teach you on how to share files between two devices over Wi-Fi. The first thing we're gonna do is go to Control Panel. Click Network and Internet and click Network and Sharing Center. Then click Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Turn on Public and Private Networks and Public Folder Sharing. Next, go to File Explorer. Go to Downloads. Create a new folder and rename the folder. After you rename the folder, put pictures inside the folder. Next, right-click the folder, click Show More Options, then click Give Access To, select Specific People, select Everyone, click Add and Read. Click Share and Done. Next, let's go to Recipient's computer. We will gonna do the same process we did earlier except creating a new folder. After turning on public and private networks and public folder sharing, open File Explorer, go to Networks, check the device name of the first laptop. After you check the device name of the first laptop, check if the first device can be seen on the recipient's computer and then click the device name, click Users, ASIT-SD, and go to Downloads. Lastly, find the folder, then click. Note, make sure that your Bluetooth is off and make sure that the two devices are connected to the same networks. Bye!